welcome back to Virtual. So we are back again with another interesting project. Let's see the project. So today we have a project called as IoT based wireless notice board. So in the schools or colleges, whatever the notice board we have, those are manually we need to change it by going to the board. But using this we can change whatever we want to print anywhere in the campus. So we have this dot matrix display and Wi-Fi module. So now let's set up the hotspot and password first. So you need to turn on your net and hotspot using the ID and password, and you need to connect the Wi-Fi module using a cable, USB cable, and turn on your hotspot. So it will automatically get connected to the hotspot. Now let's check, is it connected or not? So you can see the ESP D0287F. So it's connected automatically when you turn on your net and hotspot. You can see the name here, it is connected devices. Once the device connected to the internet, you can see it will display the IP address in the dot matrix display. So the IP address is 192.168.252.025. So once the device connected to the internet, you need to open your browser and you need to search the IP address 192.168.252.25. So you can see one interface will open like this. So in the message bar, whatever the message you will type, suppose I am typing Barcelonix, so send data. So now the data is sent to the dot matrix display. We have sent it to the display. So let's see the display. In the display you can see Virtualonix, the message we have sent.